Inihayag ng Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, SBP, na pinayagan ng makapaglaro ulit si Justin Brownlee sa Gilas, Pilipinas sa unang window ng FIBA Asia Cup 2025 qualifiers na magaganap ngayong Pebrero. Ito ay matapos na mag-issue ang FIBA kay Brownlee ng notice of charge na naglalaman ng iminungkahing 3 buwang panahon ng ineligibility kaugnay ng paglabag sa anti-doping rule na naganap noong 19th Asian Games. We're elated that the consequences FIBA issued does not prevent Justin Brownlee to play for Gilas in the upcoming window, sabi ni SBP President Al Panlilio. Having him as our naturalized player alongside some of our locals that he has already played with before will be beneficial to the squad. Makakasama ni Brownlee ang kanyang mga kakampi sa Hinebra na sina Scottie Thompson at Jamie Malonzo sa squad na pinamumunuan nina Head Coach Tim Cone at Team Manager Richard Del Rosario. Sina Chris Newsom, Calvin Aftana, CJ Perez, June Marfa